Yes, welcome to IELTS interview.
Yep.
Good day. Can I have a look at your identity? Thank you. Sam, as a part of the interview procedure, we need to do the recording of this interview.
Okay.
Are you comfortable with it?
Yes.
Please briefly introduce yourself to me.
I'm Simon Gondal. I'm proficient homemaker, mother of boy of four two daughters, and I'm with a master's degree. I aspire to relocate abroad for the second life, eager to leverage my education and skill. Currently, I am actively engaged in preparing for IELTS exams. So I joined the CNC for this purpose.
And how often do you watch television?
How often I watch television? No, I think television is not the thing that we can watch. Just I take some liquid spray and then spray on the TV or LED, such type of thing.
Not watch, watch.
Watch.
How
Okay, so
often do you watch television?
yes. Actually, I am very much. I am too much busy in my daily routine, so I have no time to watch the TV. But whenever I have free time, and I prefer to look the news channel.
Which channel is your favorite?
ARY News.
Your favorite? Why?
Yes,
Why is it so?
because I think that that channel is also good news. We can look the
Any favorite anchor?
and my favorite anchor was Asha Shri. I think that was also dead, and
Unfortunately, he didn't pass
unfortunately
away.
he was very good man and a good speaker as well.
Yeah. Do you
I
enjoy?
but for his good because is
Yes.
that was the cause of his.
Do you enjoy advertisements on television?
No, I don't want to see that this type of advertisement though, because it takes much more time. Because we want to take anything that refresh us and refresh our mind, and we can relax after to watch that thing. But when advertisement is over, then that is wasting.
Do you think most of the programs that are being published on televisions they are good,
No,
or they need improvement?
they need improvement.
What kind of?
Because as you know that in our country, in our society, there are many problems like poverty, like education, illiteracy. So I think that the program will be according to this topic, and also the entertaining, because whenever we watch the TV and we want to look anything that we can enjoy
Hmm.
and relax our mind.
Okay, Sarma, this is a cue card. If you need to prepare any notes, you can prepare some notes here. And this is your question. For 1 minute, you need to think about it, and at least for 2 minutes, you'll be speaking about it.
Okay.
These are the points that you should cover in your speaking.
Okay.
Your 1 minute starts now. Yes, please.
Okay.
Please.
Yes, a thing that is very useful and healthy, according to me, that is the morning walk. Because morning walk is very healthy for us, and this activity is the thing that we enjoy and take the fresh air and all stuff or all that stuff. So, because I prefer to walk daily, so near to my home there is a park, Jinnah Park. In that area, that is very comfortable area. That park is near to me and my home, so it is very comfortable and convenient to me to go over there in daily basis. So, when my kids go to home, go to school, so go to school. Then after them, me and my husband go over there, go in the park, and we start walking in the park. And because there is also a track for walking people for the people. That time I feel very much relaxed and enjoy, because me and my husband chit chat and discuss many things about the family, about the kids, about the home. And that time we feel very much happier and player. And also because I think oxygen level is very much increased on that time and in the morning. So when we go for the walk in the morning, then we conceive that oxygen and our muscles and healthy health is recovered more than the.
So you told that usually your children go to school and then after that you go for the walk with your husband. What about the weekends? How do you carry on this activity on weekends?
That's a very good question. On weekend, I feel very much lazy because I prefer to sleep, and I prefer. I thought that I need to take a sleep. A good sleep is also very healthy thing for our physical health. So in weekend, we prefer to sleep and relax ourselves for the next
Upcoming week.
upcoming.
Gather energy for the upcoming week.
For upcoming.
Do you know the neighbors who are living around you?
Who are the neighbors?
And do you know your
Yes,
neighbor?
I know because my home, my ground area, we rent that area, and that in our home that is rented, there are very good people. They have three kids, three boys, and they are very little.
So do you usually share problems?
Problems, and we exchange the food dishes and problems, and we can go any outside area for shopping. We go about the together.
Yes, Sama, do you think today people care about their neighbors generally?
Generally, I think no, it's not happening because it's this time we are too much busier, busier, and we have no time to take any attention to other like neighbor, like any other people who are needed persons. So I think so. This is very like
Thank you, Sana.